Let me show you what just saved my tomato plants.
Okay, so real quick, I just wanted to show you guys what I was talking about. My tomato plant doesn't look too good. Well, it's because I accidentally cut the top off. Here's one right beside it. I accidentally cut the top off and thought it was a sucker. It was not a sucker, it was the top. So it started to die, obviously, but I still got these tomatoes on here, and they're hanging on by literally a thread. I got a sucker down here that I'm probably gonna let grow, and once these tomatoes are more ripe, this guy here and the guy in the back, then I will cut it and let that guy grow at the bottom. So literally by a thread, hanging on here, and all the weight is literally sitting on there. So I would not have these tomatoes here if it wasn't for that. I literally just strung it up. You take some string, tie it to the top here, bring it all the way down, you measure it, and then you grab the clips and you put the clips on. Here's a young one. I got 2 clips on to keep it straight. Here in Florida and Orlando right now, there's a lot of wind, so this guy's been blowing. And this setup with the strings, that's definitely the best way, because even with the stick, you can get blown around. But this guy is even better. They're just gonna follow it all the way up. You don't have to keep changing out your stick. So let's go and I'll show you what I bought.
Literally, all I ordered was nylon string and these plant clips. It was under $15 for everything, and my tomatoes are loving it. I'm not losing any tomatoes to accidental pruning. So we got the 200 pieces of plant structure for tomatoes, everything. It's a whole big bag. It's plenty. All right, so as you can see, this guy is pretty good. It's got a little clip, and then you just unclip it like that, and then you put your string right through there. You open it up, put the string right through there, clip it on the back, and go like that, and it is done. So I just wanted to show you something real fast that you could do. Anyone can do it, under $15. It saved my tomato harvest off of that plant. It actually saved the plants. I'm gonna cut the top off and let that sucker grow out, and it's gonna be like a brand new plant. If you like this video, you thought everything, you got some good information from it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.